Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your LENOVO Yoga Book 9. To pair a Bluetooth device, you need to click on the control center, which is only on the top screen. This is this button, right left to your clock and date. Then you'll see Bluetooth. Click on the arrow next to it and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now you will be able to find the devices that are near if they are put in pairing mode. If you don't know how to put your device in pairing mode, especially for headphones, you can find videos on it on our YouTube channel. But most probably it'll be pressing and holding the button on the case or just turning them on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.